Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Orico Thunderbolt 3 NVMe M.2 SSD Enclosure. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the box. Now let's go ahead and open it up. First of all is the enclosure itself. Thunderbolt 3 port. Okay, let's set it aside and see what else comes with the product. Some product documentation. Thunderbolt 3 cable, fixing screw, and thermal silicone, and finally a screwdriver. Alright, there you have it, the unboxing video of the Orico Thunderbolt 3 NVMe M.2 SSD Enclosure. Thanks for watching.